The BOSCH CLPK22-120 Combo Kit is equipped with advanced lithium-ion technology, ensuring the batteries have a longer lifespan and increased runtime while maintaining a lightweight design. The PS31 drill driver within the kit is powerful, offering up to 1,300 revolutions per minute and 265 inch-pounds of torque, making it suitable for professional use. Compact and lightweight, the PS31 drill driver is designed for easy handling in overhead operations and tight spaces, enhancing user comfort during prolonged use. The PS41 impact driver provides precision with its variable speed feature and is easy to maneuver in confined areas, aided by its short head length and light body. 3 integrated LED lights around the head of the PS41 impact driver ensure better performance in low light conditions, adding convenience for the user. The combo kit is not only robust and durable, but also comes with a 3-year protection plan, highlighting its reliability and long-term value.